How to create an account in KFriends app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this KFriend app is an application where you will be able to find Korean friends. Simply search for KFriends. This is the app you are looking for. Simply install it, and after it is done installing, simply tap on open and open the application. In order to create an account, you can easily sign up using email, Facebook, or KakaoTalk. If you already have an account, you just have to tap on login. But not, you can easily get inside this application using your Gmail account. After that, you just have to check this agreement boxes and tap on agree and join. Select your country and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.